Hi boys and girls, today our Tom and Tabby is about following the rules. So I'd like you to get your listening ears on and listen to this story, okay? Here we go. Tabby Cat was playing in the bathroom. She was dancing and singing. When she finally comes out, she makes a lot of bubbles in the sink and plays in the water for a long time. Then she gets a bunch of paper towels and crumples them into balls. She shoots them into the trash can but misses it a few times. Is it okay for Tabby Cat to play in the bathroom? Tell the grown-up that you're with. Tabby Cat, what did you do in the bathroom? Asks Mom. It's a mess. Tabby Cat tries to think quickly, but doesn't know what to say. I was playing, Tabby Cat says quietly and lowers her head. Thud! Ouch! Screams Tom Cat. Tabby Cat runs to the bathroom where Tom Cat is crying. He slipped on the wet, soapy floor and hit his head. Mom looks at Tabby Cat. Tom Cat got hurt because you made a mess in the bathroom, says Mom. Tabby Cat puts her head down and cries. I want you to turn and tell the person you're with, why did Tom Cat get hurt? What was the problem? Tabby Cat counted to 10 in her head. Then she looked up and she asked Tom Cat if he was okay. I'm sorry for playing in the bathroom and making a mess. I know it was against the rules. I was just having fun, says Tabby Cat. Tabby Cat cleans up the bathroom and promises she won't play in there again. All right, now it's your turn. You can use your own Tom and Tabby to kind of act out something about following the rules with the grown-up you're with. Have fun. See you later. Bye-bye.